Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier.